Camping in the dark is hard. Let Ridge Ryder make your adventures safe and enjoyable with their extensive range of LED lights and torches. Every glove box, camping kit and toolbox needs a simple hand torch. Ridge Ryder caters for this in all shapes and sizes. These handy little torches come in a range of colours and measure under 10 centimetres. If you want more than one, there's even a 3-pack with a similar design, so you can tuck them away wherever they'll be handy. A little larger but packing more power are the CREE LED torches. The smaller of the three uses AA batteries and does 115 lumens, while the larger takes 2 D-cell batteries and pumps out 140 lumens. Finding your way to camp, picking out distant objects or spotting some local wildlife is a job for a Ridge Ryder Spotlight. These two are designed to be lightweight and comfortable, with a rubber pistol grip and finger trigger. Their narrow reflector design is perfect for pinpointing exactly what you need to see. The compact 3-watt LED spotlight is powered by 3 AA batteries. It throws 40 lumens on low and 140 on high, with a maximum beam distance of 180 metres. For a little more power and rechargeable convenience, grab the 3-watt LED rechargeable spotlight. The larger reflector enables a beam distance up to 200 metres for its 200 lumen output. Once you're all set up, an even spread of light with a long run time is what you want. Each of these Ridge Ryder LED battery-powered lights uses chip-on-board technology for optimum brightness and long battery life. Inbuilt hanging hooks and magnetic backs are perfect to hang from a tree, stick onto a gazebo frame, slap under a bonnet, or light up your cargo area. The rectangle light is your go for sheer power. The 3-pack of round lights is great to light an area evenly, with 70 lumens each. Or for extra functionality, grab either the adjustable round light with a hinged base or the oval light with a 3 LED torch on the end. In a class of its own sits the Ridge Ryder lantern and torch combo. The traditional lantern form is a proven design, yet this lamp expands upon that with some brilliant features. Powered by a removable battery bank, you'll get 5.5 hours runtime at 270 lumens. If you need to duck away from camp for a moment, just open up the top and find a tiny 35 lumen torch. When the lantern isn't needed, the battery pack can be removed and used to charge other devices. Some tasks like trackside repairs, gathering firewood, or hiking through rough terrain demand both hands on the job and enough light to see by. That's where a Ridge Ryder headlamp is ideal. These 3 models all feature adjustable head straps, adjustable light angles, and multiple brightness modes. The H1 headlamp features area and spotlights in one unit. Powered by 3 AAA batteries, it pumps out a huge 260 lumen spot beam, or a massive 400 lumen area light. The H2 boasts a rechargeable battery and an output of 190 lumens for 11 hours. The H3 headlamp and torch combo gives you a 45 lumen aluminium torch and a headlamp, which can be switched between an 85 lumen main beam and 2 red area lights. Great for keeping your night vision in tune. Ridge Ryder LED lights have a solution for every camper. Pick one for your camping kit today.